welcome back to Aura's Diamond Creations. And today I have an unboxing for you guys. It's my very first one, and I'm super happy. Finally. What would we be unboxing? Mini Dazzles! 90s! Yes! I had to get this one. I had to. First of all, it's the 90s. Like, what? Like, who doesn't like any of these? Like, second of all, 90s is me. I am 90s. 90s is my era. I was born in 92. Whoop, whoop. So, I was like fresh 90s. So, yeah. Can we please go back to the 90s? Please. I miss the 90s, bro. I miss the 90s / early 2000s. That was like the best years ever. But anyways, this is the Mini Dazzle kit, my very first one. We get 6 of them in this pack. And look how gorgeous these are. First of all, the pink flip phone with the little charm. Like, what? And then this. Yes. Memories. Yeah. This, I forgot what you call it, but I remember these barely. They're not Game Boys. They don't look like Game Boys. But, yeah. Anyways, let's open it, shall we? Wish there was a way that I can just, I guess. Goodbye. I didn't want to open it this way, but oh well. It's stuck to the box. Boo. Okay, I'll figure that out. Anywho's, let's get on to it. Like I said, we get 6 of them inside. They are called, I didn't even notice that, CD player, disco ball, flip phone, handheld gaming console, lava lamp, and personal computer. Those are the 6 that we get. Ooh. I wish they told me. Oh, they did. They did update this. Okay. So before, they used to have each kit with separate drills. Now they just have the drills all together. So like for the CD player, they'd have that separate. Disco ball, they'd have that separate, you know. But now they just put all of them together. I don't know if I like it that way. I kind of liked it the other way. But, oh well. Per usual, we got our thank you pamphlet. Unfortunately, there's no cards in here because there's multiple sets. But you still get the same old goodness inside that you do of the regular ones. So, there's that. We get our awesome toolkit, per usual. It's just this time the tray is smaller because it's a smaller kit. Here are our colors. I forgot what did it say? I think it said 1 AB, 1 metallic, 1 iridescent, 1 frosted. Yes, that's what the M stands for. So AB, the K is metallic, the L is the crystals, the iridescence, the M is the frosted, or think of M as matte. And then the rest of them will be nothing but dusties. That's what we're working with. Okay. These are so cute. I can't wait to work on these. Finally, I have something small enough to where it's like, you know how you guys are in that mood where you guys want to diamond paint, but then you don't want to diamond paint because you're working on a big canvas. Yeah, I have those moments a lot. So that's upside down. Okay, so we get our disco ball. Ooh. We get our handheld game console. Look at the pretty cell phone. Oh, that is so cute. That is so freaking cute. We get the computer. We have our CD player. And then the lava lamp. These are soft and real flexible. Like, not as soft as Dak's actual canvas, but they pretty soft. They pretty soft. Okay. I sees you, Dak. I sees you. The first one I'd probably do is this one. I'd probably work on the cell phone one first. Oh, and only the image is sticky. So wherever you see the symbols at, that's where it's sticky at. The actual white part is not sticky at all. Just where you see the symbols. Okay. Put these away. Now let's get to the good part. All right. Let's open up these pretty drills. I'm seeing purple. I'm loving it. Purples and pinks, obviously. And they're all on one big old giant train. Okay. So, let's do this so that we can see the dusties. We have Z. I'm not going to keep saying Z because we all know that the rest is fairy dust. If they change, I'll let you know. 3608. I love this color as a fairy dust. I think I actually have this color as a fairy dust in their separate special drills collection. I love this color. I love it. It reminds me of a gel polish that I have. Of a cat eye gel polish that I have. 792, this dark purple. We got 794, this pretty blue. Ooh. We got 208, my favorite color. We have 208. I swear, I love 208, 209, 210s, and 211s. Like, just perfect. 3811. It's like almost a light blue. I don't know. Excuse me. We have, ooh. Okay, this is new to me. A gray fairy dust. 415. Never had a gray fairy dust before. 317. Ooh, that one color. The dark gray color. I like this one in fairy dust. We have, here we go, our matte or our frosted diamond, 3078. Literally looks matte. There's no shine to it, no nothing. It basically looks like it's unfinished. 3713. Ooh. Here's our crystal. our L, or iridescent, 666. I've never seen a red crystal before. Not from Diamond Art Club anyway. 3705. We have nothing but sparkles, sparkles, sparkles. I'm loving the sparkles. 598. Ooh. We have 153. We have 973. Ooh. That one's pretty. I haven't seen this one before. $9.72, and no, they're not on one tray. And I just see the other one right here. $9.72. Look up orange, maybe orange yellow. More on the orange side. And then our famous shine bright like a diamond, AB 5200. The Lightning McQueen drills. We have 490. Ooh, very pretty. 498. Ooh, this one's definitely for the lava lamp. I can tell already it's for the lava lamp. That one's gorgeous. 703. 762, which is like super light gray. Almost looks white, but it's not. Super light gray. This will probably be for the keyboards. 318. Okay, and our last little train is 793. And then 3708. $791. Ooh. Nice. You can catch a glimpse of the shimmer. 3706. This one's pretty too. And our last one is our, come on, our metallic, which is 318. Catch the silver top. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna put these drills away, and then we'll come back to take a quick gander. Actually, no, I will not. Here's what I will do. I will actually spread these out, and we can find out. We're just gonna do one for right now. Which one shall we do? Let's do the computer. We look at computer. Yes, yes. Okay. So we have the white ABs are on the keyboards right here. The infamous white square with the black dot in the middle. And then up here as well. Oh. The Tetris piece is $7.92. So this color here would be around the keyboard right here. E is $7.91, which is this color here that we just looked at. That one will be at the bottom of the keyboard. Will be at the bottom of the keyboard here. The number E, letter E, will be at the bottom of the keyboard. The percentage will be that gray fairy dust, this one, the light gray. That will be in the middle of the keyboard. Number 8 is 318, which is the medium one. This one. Number 7, 317, so that's the darker one. That's a super dark gray right here. And that will be right up here. This right here, this up left arrow, will be 3706. So this color right here. It will be all in here and all up here. That down arrow is 3708, which is this light pink color here. Or not light, but you know, this other pink color. So it's all right here, all right here. N would be 3713. So this super, super light pink one. And that will go here. And then up here. The U-turn arrow, which I'm going to call it U-turn because it looks like a U-turn to me. That one will be 793. Yeah, 793, but where is it? Oh, in front of me. I'm blind, sorry. 793 for the U-turn arrow for the Earth. A will be 3811, this color right here. The C will be 598, which is this color here. And then this Wi-Fi looking-ish signal will be 703, and that's this green right here. And then the star right here will be 792. And it will be this one here. J 3705 right here. The J will be around the screen, right here in the corners and right here. Number 3 is the crystals, the red crystals, right here. And that will be just 2 right here. And then this square, this red square with the white square in the middle would be, oh, that pretty red one, that pretty red fairy dust. $4.98, this one. And then number 4, which is just 1 right here, just 1 number 4 would be the matte or the frosted diamond. Number 8 will also be right here on the sides, and so is the percentage right here. 8 would be mixed into the keyboards. Actually, I think I might want to do the computer one first. I think I might want to do the computer one first. Ooh. Okay. I sees you. I sees you, Dak. Okay. So, let's go on and put these back. So, I will go ahead and let y'all go. That is it. It was very quick. Not much drills to go through. I mean, they're all minis, so it's going to be very quick. But yes, I'm happy I got this one. Now my next goal is to get, what other one did I want? The sweets, the Valentine one, and the unicorn one. So I got 3 more on my list that I need to get. Well, anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys want this kit or anything, I'll leave the link down below. I believe it's still in stock. Even if it's not, I'll still leave it down below, and I'll leave my link for your $10 off your very first Diamond Art Club purchase if you have not purchased them from them already and would like to at least try this out first to see if you like it. All mini Dazzles are squares. They are not rounds. They are all squares. So just in case if you didn't know, now you know. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.